Welcome to the Diego Vicente interview made by talent seeker Alberto Carabias to join MONEO Brock Architecture Studio as an intern. MONEO Brock is composed by its founding architects Belén MONEO and Jeff Brock. They started the studio when they were collaborating for the first time in New York for the design of a loft in Tribeca. Also, Belén MONEO is a teacher in Madrid Architecture School, and they both have achieved international praises and recognition. The studio work line is based in architecture, urban planning, and design, with the commitment to give sustainable solutions for their architecture to improve our environment. Their design values are local and urban environments, which are carefully studied, and a proper selection of materials and construction details. As an example of their work, we were presenting the Chiriqui Thermal Baths project in Panama. The situation spot is the Baru hillside in Panama. This place is home of an exuberant nature and spectacular vegetation for the placement of thermal baths. The highest area of the site was the chosen place for the building situation. Each one of different zones were placed next the other because of the local weather and climate. Total area is 1,180 square meters. However, these spaces are created near to the local nature. By this way, interconnected pavilions linked to the green spaces are achieved. To sum up, MONEO Brock assesses positively the synergies that come out from creative and collaborative teamwork. They are searching for young architects to join their roster to learn and cooperate in new projects. Selection process consists of delivering the CV and personal portfolio to subsequently make a job interview as the one we are about to watch.
Good morning. Welcome to our office.
Hi, thank you for admitting me for this interview.
Please take a seat. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Diego Vicente. I finished my architecture career in ETSAM last year, and now I'm cursing the enabling master in the same school. I like to present myself to architecture competitions, and I won some of them. For instance, for a Hispanic contest last year.
Oh, that's interesting. What attracted you to our office to apply for?
I'm very interested in rehabilitation of buildings and giving them new opportunities becoming nowadays architecture by your interventions. I admire the care you take in every detail and the treatment of the materials.
What are you looking for in this job?
As I said before, I'm a just graduated architect and I'm looking for job experience and professional skills to join in the real architecture world. Although I have some experience in construction because I've been working for 6 months in a constructor, helping them with the plans when they were in a hurry and needed somebody to help.
Moving on, do you see yourself managing a team in the future?
Yes, of course. For now, every time there was an opportunity, I admitted the responsibility. I've been in charge of every class group we had to do for any subject, so I think I have the skills for that. I'm decisive, responsible and organized, but also I'm aware of my weaknesses, and I know when to delegate in someone else in order to supply those weaknesses.
Okay, it's important to know our limits. Before finishing the interview, I'd like to ask you if you have any doubts about us or about our work.
Yes, in fact. I'd like to ask some things. In what kind of projects I'll be working on if I finally join the studio?
As you know, we work in more than one project at the same time, and we usually don't know what kind of works we will have. However, that are usually small and varied projects, so you will be able to work in something you may be comfortable with.
Nice, thanks you. And finally, my work will be mainly focus in one area or will involve different departments?
You will be assigned to a specific department like rendering, modeling, plan drawing, but all departments work together, so you, in more or less level, will be part of all departments. That's the way we think the best to solve our projects.
Oh, that's wonderful. I'm interested in that.
So if you don't have more questions, we finish here. Thank you for coming, we will contact you.